Good morning, everyone. Ooh, it's a blessed Monday morning, and it's too cold here. It's minus 32. It's very cold. Now we're just about to go to work again. Ay, ang lamig po. Minus 31 or 32. Feels like, I don't know what feels like, pero napakalamig. It's too cold po. Hindi ko po mabuksan ang aking gate kasi na-frozen na yata. Look at me here. Oh my God. Ay, finally, I got it, guys. Nabuksan ko po. Hindi ko naman matanggal yung susi ngayon. Na-frozen na rin. There, finally. My God. Ito po yung buhay namin dito sa Canada. Malamig. It's frozen. It's really frozen po, guys. Now, let's get the car. Pwede po natin yung mga saksakan nila. Pwede lang po. Don't you? Nagulog pa tuloy. Magsasaksak po tayo. We're gonna charge or we're gonna put in plug yung ating sasakyan kasi it's too cold. Look at that. There you go. And let's put this one in here muna. Let's get our something. It's too cold. Oh, look at my nose. Yung aming ilong namula. Ay, namula po ang ilong namin. Minus 42. Guys, it's too cold. It is really cold today. It is minus 32, feels like minus 47, and it's extremely cold even though there's a sunshine, but it's really cold, guys. This is Winnipeg. What to expect in Winnipeg. This is the weather every winter time. Thank you, guys.